It is clearly Christmas time in our household, and I am just working with a bunch of trees right here. So I've got this one. This is a 6-footer. This one does not come with lights, but it does have some of the flocking on here. One of the things that I really like about this one is that you are just getting the tips of the, like, flocking means the fake snow here, but it's not going to come off in big chunks. Some of the trees, you know, you have it and it's kind of caked on and then it ends up falling all over the floor, and this one is not doing that. So that is a huge plus. I do like the little sprinkle of pine cones as well. So this one was sent for my review, and I've literally only taken 5, maybe 10 minutes to start pulling the branches apart. So that is something that's really important when you're putting these trees together. A lot of people just take it out of the box and they're like, oh, there's these big holes and gaps in them. But like, for example, right here, as you can see, it kind of looks like this. You just like take the branches and you just start spreading them. You can pull these down, you can pull them in any direction, and then you spread them out. What I like to do is I put the pieces together. So I've actually kept the tag on so that I could show you. So this one comes with 3 pieces and they literally just pop into each other, and they're numbered, which is nice. So obviously I'm going to cut that off when I start decorating, but they pop into each other. And then what I do is I do a quick little like pulling them apart, and then it's easier when you kind of step back and then you can see them, and then you're like, okay, so this needs to be spread out a little bit. I got to take that. And then you just take the time. So sometimes this can take up to like an hour, just depends, you know, take your time, really fluff it out. And when you do, you're just like, wow, okay, this is a tree. So this one is really nice and full. It comes with the stand. One of the nice things about the stand, so it's just a little metal stand, and normally you have like 3 or 4 screws you have to put in. This one only has 1, which I have not seen before. So I think that was really cool. Makes it a lot easier. But yeah, if you are looking for a tree that is not pre-lit, this one's fantastic. And it does come in different sizes as well.